Maheshwari, the student of second year Computer Science Engineering. As we all know, the whole world has struggled with the epidemic COVID-19. In such a situation, all the college studies were stopped, but as soon as our college started online classes, it raised a hope in our heart. Our teachers are available for all the times. They gave us assignments and remark our assignment accordingly. They clear our doubt immediately on the class. We have no problem to solve our syllabus, to complete our syllabus as per the schedule. According to me, this will be a great use of this time. Our college is not allowing any loss of our education. So thank you to our college.
Good evening to everyone present out there. This is me, Apurva Krishnoi, student of Jodhpur Institute of Engineering and Technology, and today I would like to share my experience on online studies being conducted over Google Classroom during this lockdown period. So our college has managed to establish classes over Google Classroom according to our particular semester, and over there we've got different classes according to different subjects. Teachers have been assigned and teachers communicate with us very efficiently and regularly. They provide us studying material time to time. They solve our queries, they give us assignments, and they communicate with us very efficiently. We all students would like to thank for such an effort being laid out there by all the teachers and all the faculty members.
I am Anubha Kansal, pursuing BTech in Computer Science and Engineering. During the present pandemic situation, wherein the students are not able to come college to study and clear doubts, online classes has proved to be a great initiative and has helped a lot. It was a new experience for us to gain online knowledge from our very own teachers. Apart from the regular classes in the timetable, the teachers also take extra classes as and when the student require. Online classes has provided an opportunity to the shy and introvert students to participate easily in the class discussions. We have better concentration during the online classes and have more time for our studies. Thank you.
I am Aman Bora from Jodhpur Institute of Engineering and Technology. I am currently pursuing my BTech in the field of Computer Science and Engineering. During this lockdown session, each and every student have the same problem of how to utilize this time, how to learn on the daily process. Our college, Jeet Group of Institution, has tried a great initiative. They have conducted the online sessions, the subjective online sessions, where all the teachers, respective teachers, are taking a session for all the students for learning, and not only learning but also problem solving. So we are getting online sessions daily with respective teachers. We were also getting our assignments on the Google Classroom, where we have to submit, means upload our assignments on time, and also have given our second midterm online. So thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I'm Vivek Chingani from Jeet Group of Institutions. Due to the spread of COVID-19 pandemic, all the activities in the country get stopped. But thanks to the online platforms like Google Classroom and Google Hangout Meet, our college is conducting regular classes online. Due to these classes, we are getting our concepts clear and doubts resolved. Whenever doubt arises, we can ask the teachers on these platforms. These classrooms also provide us with assessment. Due to these assignments, we can improvise our knowledge and clear our doubts. These online classes also utilize the time which was being previously used for the traveling to colleges. I, Vivek Changani, on the behalf of all of the institutes and students, thank college for conducting these online classes. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Kanishka Vyas, third year student of CSA department from Jodhpur Institute of Engineering and Technology. As we know that we came across this pandemic situation right when a semester was about to end, which caused our study and examination, but our college came up with this initiative and started with Google Classroom, on which the faculty members constantly uploaded study material and assignments on regular basis, and also online lectures were conducted by our faculty members for doubt solving and topic discussions, which proved to be very beneficial for us and created an environment similar to classroom teaching. And also midterm examinations were conducted so that the regularity of our studies is not affected due to this long break. We are very thankful to all our faculty members for giving us so much efforts and supporting us in every other way they can.
I am Krishan Raj Borana, student of Computer Science branch, Jodhpur Institute of Engineering and Technology. I would like to acknowledge that my college was taking regular topic-wise sessions on Google Meet and Zoom, and also providing topic-wise notes on Google Classroom, and now they are taking doubt-solving classes as per the followed schedule. Thank you.